Welcome to another beautiful episode of Genuine Techniques. In this video, I will show you how to bring back the smooth rotating action of the rotating bezel on the Samsung Gear series of smartwatches. If you're watching this channel for the first time, this is Genuine Techniques and we post regular videos on DIY projects, home automation and IoT, latest technology news and some awesome technological hacks which will help you stand out in the crowd. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to watch our future videos. The rotating bezel is a revolutionary interface designed by Samsung for its smartwatches. This makes it exceptionally easy to use when compared to any other smartwatches available in the market. The tick-tick sound produced when rotating the bezel gives the user the most satisfying response. Since this is a moving component and exposed to the external factors like dust, the smooth rotating action of the bezel may be lost after using it for long periods. The bezel will feel more sticky when rotating and the tick-tick sound may gradually disappear depending on the environment you use it. No worries, I will show you a simple and easy technique to regain the same smooth rotation of the bezel. Make sure that your smartwatch is completely water resistant before trying out this technique. What you need is a small basin to hold some water and a bottle of packaged drinking water. Why I take packaged drinking water is because regular water you get inside your house may contain excess salt and few contaminants, which is not good for this purpose. Just place the basin on the table and pour the drinking water onto it. Once again verify that your smartwatch is completely water resistant before trying this out. I tried it both on my Gear S3 and my Gear Sport and it worked well for both the devices. Take your Gear device and immerse it into the water. After immersing the watch, rotate the bezel vigorously. Do fast rotations, to and fro rotations. Apply pressure and rotate. Repeat all these steps for several times. By doing this, the water will get inside the joints of the bezel and wash out the dust particles stuck inside the bezel. Now take the watch out. Now you can see that the bezel is more smooth. Now turn on the device and you can enjoy the smooth bezel of your smartwatch. If it is not very smooth, repeat the process for several times. You can do it for 2 or 3 days continuously. Like do it for 5 minutes before you go to sleep to get the best result. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and support us to create more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.